Hello, my name is Sue Lewis and I'm going to talk to you about Life Pilot, which is a website aimed at adults, helping you progress through study into a different job perhaps, or just to get a different level of qualification. So let me explain how Life Pilot works. So if you go to life-pilot.co.uk, you'll see this homepage. So on the homepage, the first thing you can do is register. And the benefits of registering is not only do you get access to all our information, but you get access to our career tools. So this is where you can actually start to think about particular things that are really interesting to you, like what courses or what jobs you might be interested in. You can add them here and then you create a report and you can access that later. In this top bar, you can see what are our popular resources. So we've got loads of information about jobs and how to get into them. You can search for courses, apprenticeship vacancies, providers, and lots more besides. What you can also do is start with one of our entry points. So here we've got different starting points that adults are often interested in. So choose the one that most fits with you, and then we'll give you lots of information and advice to help you move on. So you might be starting with a few qualifications, or you might already be thinking about doing a degree course. If you have no idea at all and not sure where to get started, you could do our quiz and we'll ask you what you're interested in, and then we'll give you some ideas of what you can look at. If you do use the career tools and build your report, you'll be able to view the report here. Just to tell you, Life Pilot is completely free for adults who use it. We do have a new pathway we've just put on recently. So if you're a level 3 student already at a college, then we've got a pathway that shows you what you could be thinking of next and gives you advice and support. So just let me show you how that works in reality. So if you click on one of these tiles, like I don't know many qualifications, then you'll see some subheadings and you could drill down and get to the information about the particular thing you're interested in, and we'll give you information advice to help you move on. If you like that section and want to get back to it, add it to your resources and that'll be in the career tools view. So we have lots of information here in the top bar, which is about all these topics that will help you think about what you want to do and think about how you're going to make the move into a new course. So maybe you want to get promotion in your work or whatever it might be. We've also got tools, as I mentioned, the career tools. I'm just going to show you one here called the skills map, the higher skills map. Now, this is a great way to help you see that you've already got a lot of skills you've developed through life, learning and work. So we ask you questions about what you've done. You can take as many as you want to. And for every question you tick, we'll show you what skills that activity is probably given you. And then in our bank, which is this little grid on the right-hand side, we'll show you all how many examples you've got against each of these skills. And these are the skills that employers and higher education are looking for. When you come to apply, you'll be able to access all these examples. So that will really help you when you're putting your applications together. We've got some other career tools as well. I won't go through them all, but we've got a qualification ladder where you can plot where you are now and plot what you'd like to do next. Click on any of the links to find out more about that qualification. You can also search for providers and find out what courses they offer. And you can search for courses and apprenticeship vacancies as well. We've got loads of information about jobs. You can drill down to a sector, then find all the jobs in that particular sector. Click on any of these and you get a lot of detail about the job, what the salary might be, is it going to grow, but also how do you get into that job. If you like that, you can add it again to your career tools. Just a few other things. We've got lots of video stories of adults who talked about how they got back into education and how they overcome some of the challenges. We've got little activities to help you improve your skills. You can get ready for studying, maybe at a higher level. So, in terms of getting started, what we would suggest is think about where are you now? So what skills and qualifications do you have already? Then where are you trying to get to? Looking at all the different options in some detail. Jobs, courses, apprenticeships. Then how are you going to get there? So look at all the information in Life Pilot. We've got videos, we've got advice, and hopefully that will help you to start your journey to your next step. So log on to life-pilot.co.uk, get registered, and then you can get started on making your move to your next step. Good luck.